Hey guys, this is MSP. Today I am here to show you some myths and their realities. If you haven't subscribed yet, then hit the red button and let's begin. Myth number 1. A person can be drawn quickly in the quicksand. The reality, the quicksand is much denser than we actually think it is. Because of the density of a human or an animal, humans and animals cannot be drawn quickly. This does not mean you cannot be drawn, but it means drowning in the quicksand takes a longer time. Movies are lying, people. Number 2. Piranhas can eat a human body in matter of seconds. The reality? The fish might look tough and dangerous with its vampire-like teeth, but piranhas are timid and cautious. They are harmful but unlikely to attack. And yet, there are no reports of human deaths due to piranhas. Once again, stop believing in everything you see in the movies. Myth number 3. The pin of the grenade can be pulled easily by human teeth. The reality, if you pull the grenade pin with your teeth, the pin and the grenade will be attached and unharmed. But your teeth will not be alone anymore. What I mean to say is, the pin on the grenade is quite rigid to be removed with your teeth, and your teeth might fall off in the process. Again, movies are not real. Myth number 4. The more we sleep, the better it is. Reality? We humans need around 8 hours of sleep, but some lazy heads sleep way more than that, and some night owls sleep quite less. If you sleep more than 8 hours, it might lead you to lethargy. Lethargy is a pathological state of deep unresponsiveness, inactiveness, or fatigue. Now get up, you lazy heads. Myth number 5. Eating at late night increases your weight. The reality? It does not. It is not when you eat. It is what you eat that matters. Late night snackers eat oily chips or other fatty snacks which gains weight instead of eating fruits or veggies. You should switch to eating fruits or veggies to maintain your weight and your health. And according to a recent study, eating proteins half an hour before bed may get you more healthy muscles. Keep an eye, bodybuilders. Myth number 6. If a picture from CCTV is enlarged, you can see people's face. The reality? CCTV cameras have low resolutions because they have to store more footage in less space. When you enlarge the video or a picture, the video or the picture will be pixelated. You might recognize the face, but the face won't be clear. The resolution will be pixelated. Myth number 7. It is easier to catch a cold when it's cold. The reality, colds are actually caused by viruses. The temperature has nothing to do with your cold. So that's all for today's folks. Tell me more myths and realities that you know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.